You got that high beat, run out of control. It's that new feeling you already know. We're running west down the streets. You were born some heat now. Hey, yeah. Get down and feel alive. The moves coming down tonight. One more just simple line. Yeah, I make my own rules. Nothing will hold me back. Got time and nothing play. Then tell me where you at, 'cause I make my own rules. One look at you.
Mahal kong bebe, today I stand before you, overwhelmed with gratitude and joy. In you, I have found my partner, my confidant, and my greatest blessings. Hindi ko akalain na makakahanap ako ng taong katulad mo. Someone who understands me, challenges me, and loves me unconditionally. Someone I know I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Oh, I can't believe it's true. Sometimes, oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love
I promise to love with you, dream with you, and grow with you, hand in hand, bawat araw, bawat taon, sa lahat ng pagkakataon. I will cherish you and respect you, honoring the love we share. Sa bawat sandali, papatunayan ko kung gaano kita kamahal. Dahil ikaw ang tahanan ko, ang forever ko, ang pinaka mamahal ko.
get to love you. I get to love you.
Dear bebe ko, I love you. Thank you for loving me this much you are. God sent in someone I never expect to have in my life. You are my God-giving testimony, telling me that regardless of my life, shortcoming, regardless of when, there are times that I'm very unavailable to you. Love me despite everything, every imperfections, and despite for all my toyo and topak.
I can't believe it's true. Sometimes, oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you.
For a new life together, I vow to always choose you no matter what. Ikaw ang pipiliin ko, araw-araw at ikaw ang mamahalin ko habang buhay. I love you so much, bebe ko.
I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
As we build our future together and finally become husband and wife, I promise to nurture our love and to choose you every single day for the rest of my life. Dahil sa iyo, natagpuan ang walang hanggang saya. Lagit-laging ikaw ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw. Dahil bebe, mahal na mahal kita at ikaw ang hinaharap ko sa Diyos bilang gusto kong mapangasawa.